late September. I think tomorrow's the 27th. I'm mixing up some corn here. I wanted to make a video on it. In this one, we're gonna put corn, some slamola powder, Procure slamola powder. We're gonna put them in both of them. And in this one, I'm gonna put some fire brine in it. Fire brine, it's the red stuff. It is Red Rogue. I'm gonna make sure I cover the corn up in this one. And that's all I'm actually gonna put in this one. And some salt. I need some salt right here. I'm gonna put some salt in here too. Yeah, about a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna put the lid on this thing. I'm gonna shake it up. I'm gonna put this in the fridge until tomorrow morning before I leave, and then I'm gonna drain all the liquid off of it. And the salt should settle to the bottom. Leave the salt in there. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do with this one. So in this one, we've got salt. We've got the Procure slamola powder. I think this is a pretty big ingredient. You don't want to go without this one. And then the fire brine. And this is, it's got the UV in it. You know, this has got all kinds of stuff in it, but this I think is the secret ingredient. You don't want to go without this. And then of course the salt. And this one we've got the slamola powder, and I'm gonna put in some salt. Again, you know, like a tablespoon or half a tablespoon. We're men, we don't measure anything. And then the secret to this is I'm gonna put tuna in it. Because the first time we went to, it was the second trip we made this year to Odell, we couldn't keep them off the line. So I'm gonna put some tuna in this, and then I'm gonna have this in another container, just plain corn, because sometimes this works better than any of them. And then if, you know, I can pretty much say, I'll guarantee that this is going to work better than any of them. But I haven't used this with the slamola powder and the salt with the tuna. I haven't used that since the second day we went to Odell. But I've used this one at Odell probably 3 times. And I went with my wife one time, and I haven't got that video out yet, but we used this, and we had at least 20 short strikes. We lost 8, and we ended up catching 8. I think that's a pretty good day's fishing. I'm not really, I'm a rookie at this. I don't really know. I know that this works really good. I took my 2 grandkids, I haven't got that video out, and we used this, and we lost 10, and we ended up catching 9. And we had several up to the boat, but I was fishing with kids, so But they, towards the end of the day, they did really good on reeling those things in. You can horse them, that's for sure. But this stuff here works good. And it's worth a try. And then I got a good feeling about this with the tuna. I'm gonna put the tuna in here. It's tuna and water. Stuff I canned up, I'll make a sandwich out of the rest of it, but for tomorrow. And then I'm gonna take this again, and it's just regular corn. And I've got some anise krill oil I'll put on this. And I don't know what I did with that. Oh, here it is right here. Procure. This stuff works really good. I bought some of this Kokanee Killer Corn Magic. I thought about putting some of this in here. I'll have 3 kinds of corn. But I think I'm gonna save this for another time. It's a Procure too. It's Kokanee Killer Corn Magic. It's from Procure. There's the Procure label. And I think this one would work pretty good too. But I think the fire brine it's the same thing. It's gonna turn your corn reddish pink. And I'm telling you, we'll find out tomorrow morning. We'll have all 3 of these and we'll find out which one works the best. But I wanted to run that by you. It's just a short little video, and we'll see if it works. Like I say, I'm still a rookie. I'm still learning. The first time we went, we had long leaders. We didn't know the first thing about what we were doing. Me and Mike, the Kokanee Killer, can't go with me tomorrow, or I'd sure like to have him, but he's read up on catching kokanee, and I've become more of a student also, and we'll see how it goes. And I hope that tomorrow will be lights out. But anyway, God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We're gonna have some fishing trip giveaways. I'm taking next Friday, I'm taking a first responder fishing, and I'm hoping Saturday a veteran, because I hit a plateau on my channel and I want to give back to people. But anyway, here we go.